Hello friends, today's topic is operation on numbers. So let's see what we are going to learn today on the chapter operation on numbers, and this is the first part of the chapter operation on numbers. So as we already learned much about the chapter numbers, and this is the thing that is the new chapter, that is operation on numbers, that what operation we can perform on the numbers. So let's start our video and see what we are going to learn today in this video. Yes friends, so here the calculate the following, that means we can see only addition in all the sums. Yes friends, so today we are going to learn how to add. Yes friends, as we have already feasible with how to add, but then also to get feasibility with that, then also we'll start with the basics so that we will get clear idea and can get our clear concepts over here. Yes friends, so first sum is 428 547. Yes friends, this is our first sum. So based on number values or the place values, we will decide what we are going to do. This is ones place, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Yes, 10,000 and lakh. Yes friends, as we all are feasible with that. Yes, this is the place value for that. Now we are going to add the next number, that is 461. So I'm writing over here so that what we are going to get, plus 4 6 1 1 5 and 2. Yes friends, so let's see how we are going to add. Now what we are going to do, we will just add both of them. 7 plus 2, we all know that what is the answer that we are going to get after adding them is 7 plus 2, we know 9. 5 plus 4, again 9. 5 plus 1 6. 8 plus 1 9, and 6 plus 2 8, and 4 plus 4 8. So what is the answer that we are getting friends? We will insert comma as per Indian number system, not with the international number system. Yes friends, if it is mentioned in the question that insert comma as per international number system, then and then only we have to insert comma as per international system. Otherwise we have to always insert comma as per Indian number system, as we are living in India. That's why we are inserting comma as per Indian number system. First we will insert comma after 3, then after 2. So our answer is 8,89,699. I hope you all might be feasible and would be having the concept. Your concept might be clear over here. I hope you all might be enjoying that. So let's begin with the second sum for that day, and let's see what we are going to learn in that sum. And if you are capable of solving it by your own, pause the video and try to solve the remaining sums by your own, as I think that you all are capable of solving, as we have done addition in our previous classes also. Then also I am going to explain you with the basic concepts only. So let's start over here with the second sum. Our second sum is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Yes, lakhs. Yes friends, now we are going to add over here. So I am writing the numbers over here. What are the numbers? 890,999 plus 489,999 is there. Now we have to add all both the numbers. So as for basic, we all know how to add. From ones place we will start. 9 plus 9, we know how to add. So let's start over here. 9 plus 9 18, 1 goes for carry. 9 plus 9 18 and 1 19, 1 goes for carry. Again 9 plus 9 18, 18 and 1 goes for carry, that means 19. 1 goes for carry, that means 0. Again 1 goes for carry, here 18. Again 1 goes for carry. 9 plus 4 13. So this is the answer we are getting, 1380998. I am forgetting writing 9 over here. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. Again I am going to repeat, and again I am going to solve for you so that our concept get clear and we will be easily able to solve it. 9 plus 9 18 and 1 goes for carry, that means 19. Again 1 goes for carry, again 19. Then 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 goes for carry. Now 10 plus 8 18, again 1 goes for carry. 9 plus 1 13. So this is the answer that we are going to get. And now we have to insert comma as per the Indian number system. First we will leave 3 digits from the right hand side, then 2 digits. So our answer is 13,80,998. I hope you all might be getting that answer only. So let's begin with the next sum for the day, that is third sum. So let's see what we are going to do and what answer we are going to get in that sum. And if you are capable of now solving and adding by your own, pause the video and try to solve the sum by your own. As I have written the place value, so it will be needed in each and every sum. So I have already written it permanently and I am not erasing it. This is the sum, and here 8,10,212. Here plus sign would be there. Yes friends, so we'll add the numbers and let's see what we are going to get the answer. 3 plus 2, we know 5. 1 goes for, sorry, there is no carry because 3 plus 2 gets 5. Now 7 plus 1, 8, we will get the answer. Now 6 plus 2 again 8, 9 plus 0 9, 8 plus 1 9, and 8 as it is. Now what we are getting the answer as 8,99,885. I will insert comma as per Indian number system, 3 then 2. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with the fourth sum for the day. This was the easiest sum, so I hope you all have now cleared with the concept. Now pause the video and try to solve the remaining 3 sums by your own. Yes friends, and if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the fourth sum for the day, that is 5,89,032. That means 32. Yes. Again the next number is 2,35,835. Now we have to add both of them. Yes, now we'll add both of them and let's see what answer we are going to get over here. 5 plus 2 will get 7, 3 plus 3 6, 8 plus 0 8, 9 plus 5 14, 1 goes for carry. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12 we know. And now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. So this is the answer that we are getting. So what answer we are getting after inserting the commas? After 3 then after 2. 8,24,867. This is the answer that we are getting, friends. I hope you all might be getting it. So if you understood, pause the video and try to solve the remaining 2 sums by your own, as this type of sum we have done in previous classes also. So let's begin with the fifth sum for the day, that is over here. What is the fifth sum? Here 3 digits we can see. Then also we are not having problem as we know how to add. So 4,93,541 first number. Second number is 3,06,138. Now 210 we will write over here, so we will add over here. Now let us see what answer we are going to get. 1 plus 8 9. Yes friends, 4 plus 4 that means 8. 5 plus 3 again 8. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 0 9. 4 plus 3 7. Yes friends, so what is the answer that we are getting? After putting the commas we can say 7,99,889 is the answer that we are getting after solving the fifth sum. I hope till now you all have cleared the concept. Now pause the video and try to solve the last sum by your own, and as I think that now you all are capable of solving the last sum by your own, so pause the video and try to solve the last sum by your own, as I am solving over here for you only. So let's solve it. 7,780. Yes friends, now next sum is 3,10,002 again plus 4,87,562. So we'll add and put the answer over here and write answer over here. So let's see what answer we are going to get over here. 2 plus 2 4. Yes, 8 plus 6 14. 1 goes for carry. So 8 plus 5 we know 13. So 3 I will write. 1 goes for carry. Now 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, that means 8. 8 plus 1 9. And here 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 4 14. So this is our answer. So we'll insert comma as per Indian number system. After 3 after 2. 14,98,344 is the answer that we are getting after solving the sixth sum. I hope you all might be getting this answer only, and if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, friends. So let's begin with the next slide and see what we are going to learn. Here the problem type sums are there, but the similar thing we have to do in these sums only. So let's begin with the first sum. Find the sum of. Sum means addition, we know. Yes friends, and in addition we need to first we'll write the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then after 10,000 we are getting lakh. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. So now begin with the first sum. So what is that? 3,98,000. So 3,98,657. And what we are going to add over here? 2,56,647 we will add in that. So let's see what we are going to get. From the ones place always we are adding, so we'll add in the similar manner only. So 7 plus 7, that means 14 we are going to get. 1 goes for carry. Now 5 plus 4 plus 1, that means 10. 1 goes for carry. 12 plus 1 13. 1 again goes for carry. Now 9 plus 6 15 we are going to get. 1 goes for carry. Now again 10 plus 5 15, again 1 goes for carry. So 3 plus 3 6 we are going to get. So this is the answer that we are getting after adding the sum. So let's see what is the answer after inserting the comma as per Indian number system. So the answer we are getting is 6,55,304. I hope you all might be getting that answer only. So let's begin with the second sum. So if you understood, pause the video and try to solve the last sum by your own friend. So our last sum is what will be the sum. Sum means again addition. So we'll add in the similar manner 4,72,270 it is there. Afterwards what we are going to do, next number is 2,03,615. Yes friends, so we know how to add. So from the ones place we'll start adding. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 2 5, 7 plus 0 7, and 4 plus 2 6. Now we'll insert comma as per Indian number system, after 3 after 2. So what is the answer that we are going to get? 6,75,885. This is the answer that we are getting. I hope you all might be clear with that. So friends, if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching you all.